welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fetch values from a table, and here you can see the first query, and that is for the fetch. And here you can see we have select all. This is the sign actually represent all the columns from student tables. So you can see here it's showing all the columns: student ID, student name, student email. All right, so let's say I want to actually create multiple values, so that I can actually show you the student the select query in details. Okay, Milon 2, and now let's execute it, and let's go here, and I'm going to change here 103 Milon 3 and Milon 3. All right, now let's say the ID is 104 but Milon 3, and Gmail is also no, Gmail should be changed, Milon 03, okay, at gmail.com. Execute it. Okay, now let's go here and select all from the table students, semicolon, and go. And here you can see you have added multiple values, right? And here you can see we have Milon 3. Now let's say I want to see only student name. Okay, so I'll say I'll remove this sign, and I'm going to say here that I want only student name, student underscore name from students, and I'm going to fetch it. Okay, so here you can see we have all the student name, right, only. And let's say I want to add here a condition, so I will use here where I will say student underscore name is equal to, I want to set here a name Milon. Okay, Milon 3. So let's go and execute it, and now you can see we have only 2 Milon 3. Okay, and I'm going to actually fetch here student underscore ID also, let's say, and I'm going to break the line here. Okay, and execute it, and now you can see we have a Milon 3 and the ID is different, right? Okay, so this is how actually you can select all of them, and that's it. You can give here any condition. I can actually set here not equal to Milon 3. So here you can see all the values have been shown here Milon 2, and there is no Milon 3, right? So because of this condition, so you can actually give here any condition, and then you can fetch all the item through the select query. All right, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.